Hello dear traders, I'm Anna Kasatkina and you're watching the latest financial calendar on Insta TV. On Thursday and Friday, the following economic events that are able to impact market sentiment will be revealed. On Thursday, New Zealand will release its GDP change data for the second quarter of 2017. Economists project that economic growth will accelerate to 0.8% in comparison with the first three-month period. In the first quarter, New Zealand's gross domestic product advanced by a seasonally adjusted 0.5% after an increase of 0.4% in the last quarter of 2016. The growth of 0.7% had been anticipated. The robust growth in agriculture was the key contributor to the economic rise. The construction sector had a negative impact on the country's GDP as the sector production fell by 2.1%. In annual terms, the New Zealand GDP grew by 2.5%, down from forecasts of a 2.7% advance. On Thursday as well, the Bank of Japan will announce its key interest rate decision for September. Experts do not predict any changes in the benchmark rate of -0.1%. At the latest meeting, Japan's central bank decided to stand pat on the overnight call rate and kept it at the record low of -0.1%. The decision coincided with expectations. The bank also maintained a loose pledge to keep buying bonds, so its holdings increase at an annual pace of 80 trillion yen. In its quarterly overview of economic activity and prices, the bank increased its GDP growth forecast to 1.8% in the fiscal year of 2017. The previous estimate supposed a 1.6% advance. At the same time, timing of reaching the targeted inflation level of 2% was moved to the fiscal year of 2019. On Friday, Statistics Canada will report on the country's inflation in August. Analysts forecast that the CPI gained 0.2% on a monthly basis and 1.5% in annual terms. Month over month, consumer prices stood flat in July in line with expectations. Annually, the inflation rate made up 1.2%. Excluding food and energy prices, the core consumer price index edged down by 0.1% in July. In annual terms, the core inflation was 0.9%, which is the lowest reading since February 2011. In addition to these events, on Thursday, the RBA governor will deliver a speech. Besides, the United States will publish its jobless claims report. ECB President Mario Draghi will also make a speech. On Friday, business activity statistics will see the light of day in Germany, the Eurozone and the United States. And Canada will release its retail sales data. And this was the calendar of the latest financial events on InstaForex's TV news channel. Thanks for watching and see you back soon.